Welcome to our social series of class 10th. So today we are going to talk about our sixth chapter populations. Okay, so as previously we are already looking at the most important questions, MCQ and repeating questions. Okay, so today we are going to repeat that same things as it is. And if you are looking for the social studies playlist, so in description there is a link you can check out. Okay, so let's just start this chapter here. So actually this is a, it's a sort type notes it is, but let's come here. So here it is a multiple choice questions. Actually your paper is 80 marks. Okay, out of 80, 20 marks is for your MCQ questions. Okay, so here is the MCQ questions and I hope you will know about it. So you can see that MCQ questions. So there's a not a lot of MCQ given, it is just 9-1 until 9th MCQ. Okay, then here you can see the very short question answer. Okay, these are the very short answer type question. What is the sense, what is the growth of population? Okay, how are the changes is absolute number population calculated? What is the mean by density population? Actually fourth one is important, it will ask you what is the mean by the density population. Okay, now the next is explain the basic factors of affecting the population in India. So fifth one is also important, and seventh one is very important, and that's the eighth one, analyzing. This board data is important because a lot of time it's asked about you that type of questions. Okay, explain the process of population changes, analyze the graphics. Okay, these are the very important, you have to be look it out. Okay, actually this is our seventh one, so this is still here only. This is a very small chapter, and this one not a lot of question come in your board examination from this chapter. Okay, that's why it's short. If you are looking for the physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics chapter by important question, so in description there is a link. Otherwise if you don't find in description, go to the channel, click on the playlist and you will find the video there. Okay, so I hope this is going to be very helpful for you, and if you have any doubt, leave the comment and share with your friends. So let's meet on the next video. Jai Hind.